Hello everyone! Today I want to show you our vegetable garden. A garden requires patient labor and attention. Plants do not grow merely to satisfy ambitions or to fulfill good intentions. They thrive because someone expended effort on them. Watering our beautiful streamlets. Pruning the lower leaves and branches of the tomatoes will help increase the airflow. It's a beautiful feeling seeing our plants bearing fruits. This is my wing bean, bitter gourd, but as you can see, they're still growing. You can also find okra, and we have also amaranth. We have 3 different kinds of lettuce, and in a couple of weeks we can already pick some of the leaves to use for salad. The courgette started to flower, same with the melons. Our snow peas are ready to harvest. We also have celery, coriander, garlic and shallots, basil, thyme, fennel, and chamomile. That's all for now. I hope we inspired you to grow also your own vegetable. And thank you so much guys for watching, and see you again in our next video.